Are you dreaming of the day when you finally walk away from 9 to 5 and live life on your terms? Maybe you thought, what if I could finally escape this routine? What if I tell you it's not just a dream, it's a plan which you can execute with its financial strategies. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to quit your 9 to 5 job and create a life of freedom and independence. But here is the important thing. It's not easy as it sounds, and there's a one key mistake most people make that you absolutely need to avoid. Stick around because I will reveal that towards you in the end. Define your why. First and the most important thing is ask yourself, why do I want to leave my 9 to 5? Is it because you want more time with your family, freedom to travel, or maybe you are tired of building someone else's dream? Your why is foundation of your journey. Without it, you will lack direction when things get tough. Write it down, keep it somewhere visible, and let it fuel your decisions. So, what's your why? Drop in comment below and I would love to hear it. Number two is assess your current financial situation. Now here is where most people hesitate. Before you even think about handing in resignation letter, you need to know exactly where you are standing financially. What's your monthly income? How much you are spending, or do you have debts, and if so, what's their interest rate, and most importantly, how much you are saving. If you don't know these answers, it's like jumping out of plane without parachute. So first of all, do some maths and answer these all questions. Number three is build an emergency fund. Here is a golden rule. Don't quit until you have a safety net. It happens. Unexpected medical bills, emergencies, or just a slower income flow than expected. Your goal must be save 6 to 9 months of living expenses. This fund is not just a money, it's your peace of mind during transition. So I would recommend you to start automating a portion of your paycheck into your saving accounts from today. So number four is create alternative income streams. Think of this as building your financial escape route. Relying on one source of income, even it's your 9 to 5, is risky. So explore some side hustles that align with your skills or interest. Freelancing, selling products online, investing in stocks or real estate, even creating content just like me on YouTube. The more streams you have, the less you will depend on a paycheck. And trust me, seeing those few dollars come in from your side hustle is a feeling you will never forget. Number five is pay off high interest debt. Debt is like dragging a ball and chain while trying to sprint towards freedom. So focus on paying off high interest debts first. Those credit card balances or personal loans that eat away at your income. Use a debt avalanche method. That means take a high interest debts first, or debt snowball method, which means start small and build momentum. Choose whichever works for you, but make it a priority. And number six in our list is plan for health insurance and benefits. One of the biggest shocks when you leave 9 to 5 job is realizing how much your employer covered for you. Your health insurance, retirement contributions, and paid leaves. Before you quit, research on private insurance plans or explore options like health saving accounts. Do not leave your future self unprotected. Number seven is test the waters. Before you take the leap, taste what life would feel like without 9 to 5. Start living on reduced budget or rely solely on side hustle income for a month. This will not only prepare you financially but also mentally for what to comes. And during that period, I will recommend you to save your paycheck which is coming from your 9 to 5 job. Number 8 is create a solid exit strategy. Do not leave your job without a plan. Set a resignation date. Communicate with your decision professionally and try up all loose ends. The smoother your transition, the less stressful it will be. And number 9 is mindset shift and adaptability. This journey is not about money, it is about mindset. There will be ups and downs, but adaptability and discipline will keep you moving forward. Surround yourself with like-minded people and stay focused on your goals. So what's the key mistake most people make? They focus on quitting instead of preparing. The truth is, financial freedom is less about living your 9 to 5 and more about building a stable foundation of your life you want. And remember that quitting your 9 to 5 is not end, it is beginning of something extraordinary. And let me know in comment section what will be your first step towards your financial freedom. And do not forget to like and subscribe, and do not forget to share this video to your friends who need to hear this. So till next video, stay wealthy, stay safe.